Hello and welcome. I'm really excited that you are here. Thank you for enrolling in this course on drone surveying. Whether you are a beginner, a drone enthusiast, a survey professional, or someone exploring new technology driven careers, you are in the right place. Drone surveying is one of the fastest growing technologies in the world today. Industries like construction, mining, agriculture, environmental monitoring, and infrastructure development are increasingly using drones to collect accurate aerial data faster and more efficiently than traditional methods. In this course, you are going to learn how professional drone surveying actually works from the ground up. If you are a beginner, a drone enthusiast, a survey professional, or career explorer looking for a career in this field, this course is for you. We will begin by understanding the fundamentals of drone surveying, including how drones capture aerial data and why they are transforming the surveying industry. You will learn important concepts such as ground sampling distance, overlap, GPS positioning, and survey accuracy, all explained in a simple and practical way. Next, we will explore the different types of drones and sensors used in surveying. You will discover the difference between multi-rotor and fixed-wing drones and learn about technologies like RGB cameras, LiDAR, and multispectral sensors. Then we will move into one of the most exciting parts of the course, planning and executing a drone survey mission. I'll show you how professionals design flight plans, use mapping apps, place ground control points, and capture high quality aerial images for accurate results. After collecting the data, we will dive into photogrammetry, the technology that turns drone images into powerful mapping products. You will learn how aerial photos are transformed into orthomasic maps, 3D models, digital surface models, and terrain maps. We will also explore drone mapping software and how surveyors process images to generate professional survey outputs that can be used in GIS and CAD applications. But we won't stop there. You will also learn how drone surveying is applied in real world industries like construction site monitoring, mining stockpile measurements, agricultural analysis, and infrastructure inspections. Finally, I'll walk you through the complete professional workflow, from planning a survey project all the way to delivering the final mapping results to clients. My goal with this course is simple: to give you practical knowledge and real world understanding of drone surveying so you can confidently explore this powerful technology. I'm really excited to guide you through this journey. So let's get started and explore the world of drone surveying together. I'll see you in the first lesson.